Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will take a look at, are under-the-counter mini refrigerators worth repairing? Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Under-the-counter mini fridges are a great way to have some additional space when the kitchen refrigerator is full, or to feel swanky by filling it with beverages to have on hand in your TV room. Like all appliances, eventually it will break down. Our technicians get questions all the time asking us if the mini refrigerators are worth repairing. Like most things, there's a range of quality in mini fridges. You could pick up your typical dorm room style mini fridge for a few $100s, but you can also find a nice glass door under the counter mini fridge or wine fridge that can cost up to $2,000, and everything in between. This of course plays a huge role in the decision making of repairing or replacing. Besides the type of mini fridge, there are a few other things that you need to ask yourself, such as, how old is the mini refrigerator? And does it match any other appliances in your household? With these questions, we can evaluate if the under-the-counter unit is worth repairing. The average service call-out to evaluate your problem will start at around $90 to $150. This is only to get the technician to your home and to do the diagnostics. You will still have parts and labour in addition. So that $200 dorm-style mini fridge may be better off replaced or repurposed. If you're not sure how old the unit is or how much you paid for it, take note of the model number and do a search. You'll also be able to find the MSRP and also the cost of comparable units if you choose to replace it. Another thing that you must consider is once the unit gets to be 5 years old, you have a higher probability a sealed system issue could develop. Sealed system issues are either a compressor, evaporator, or condenser leak. When a sealed system problem occurs on the under-the-counter units, it's definitely not cost-effective, unless you have a high-end mini fridge. When purchasing a new unit, you will typically find the sealed system warranty to be between 1 and 5 years, so typically just shy of when issues tend to arise. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.